Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to remove an earlier versions of Windows option you might see from your boot menu when you're booting into Windows. So if you're turning on your computer in the morning or whenever and you see you're prompted with a couple different potential operating systems to boot into, and perhaps you don't have any use for that and you just want to go right to the current operating system you're on, this tutorial will be for you. So pretty straightforward tutorial I have in store for you guys today, and we're going to jump right into it. And we are going to start by opening up the start menu. Just left click on the start button one time, type in CMD. As match should come back with command prompt. You want to right click on that, then left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on yes. Now at this elevate command line window, the first thing you want to do is type in bcdedit, all one word. So again, bcdedit, and then you want to hit enter on your keyboard. Once you're done with that, I'm going to have a command pasted in the description of the video. I want you guys to copy it out of my description of my video again. So just copy it right from the description. Just Control C, right click, copy, whatever you want to do. And then once you've copied it, go up to the top bar of the command prompt here, right click on it, left click edit, and then left click on paste. Basically just bcdedit space / delete, and then there's going to be a little parenthesis ntldr parenthesis space / f. Then just want to enter on your keyboard one time. So it should say the operation completed successfully. In my case, I don't have another Windows operating system I'm trying to boot into, but if you did have multiple ones, it would be deleting this listing. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.